Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Today in this video we are going to talk about 5 WWE breakout superstar of the year 2020. The whole 2020 year has been tough and challenging for everyone around the world. COVID pandemic hit badly on the pro wrestling business also, but despite everything, WWE company and superstars stood firm and showed up that why they are best in the world. We are here to discuss about those 5 WWE superstars who come up, rise and entertain us in the promising manner. So we should appreciate their efforts and wish him that for bright future. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Keith Lee. Keith Lee's dominance started last year from Survivor Series 2019. In the traditional 5-on-5 elimination match, Keith Lee saw his skill and stayed till the end and comes toe to toe with Roman Reigns in the last. Roman Reigns also saw that spark in Keith Lee which make him top WWE superstar in the future. Then in Royal Rumble 2020 match, Keith Lee comes to face with Brock Lesnar and Braun Strowman. We saw little glimpse of what he's capable of when he gets opportunity against like of Brock Lesnar, Braun Strowman and Roman Reigns. Then at NXT brand he won first NXT North American Championship and later he won NXT Championship and become a first ever dual NXT champion on roster. Keith Lee relinquished new North American title to give a title opportunity to others. He also lost NXT Championship to Karrion Kross later. After SummerSlam 2020 on Raw, Keith Lee make his main roster debut and come face to face with Randy Orton. On Raw, Keith Lee lost few matches in disqualification manner against Randy Orton and Drew McIntyre. But finally, WWE gave him a proper match at Payback 2020 against Randy Orton. He defeated Randy Orton cleanly this time and picked up a first ever main roster win. Then at Survivor Series 2020, Keith Lee became a member of Raw team who clean sweep the SmackDown team at the show. Now WWE tries to show something wrong between Keith Lee and Sheamus. So we can expect that WWE could run feud between them. So no doubt that after these many achievements in the short time, Keith Lee is one of the 5 WWE breakout superstar of the year 2020. Number 4 is Bianca Belair. Bianca Belair's dominance journey also started from last year's Survivor Series 2019. She also stand out performance in the 5-on-5 traditional elimination match. Then in Royal Rumble 2020 match, she lasted for more than 30 minutes in the 30-man Women's Royal Rumble match and eliminated many superstars. Around WrestleMania 37, WWE called Bianca Belair to the main roster on the Raw brand. She did not book her on a strong note on Raw at first, but during Street Profits and Andrade and Angel Garza's feud, WWE put her into the feud when Zelina Vega tried to involve in that. This year's Survivor Series 2020 also proved good for Bianca Belair. She again put an impressive performance in the traditional elimination match, but her team again at the side lost the match. As expected, right after Survivor Series 2020, WWE start a feud between Bayley and Bianca Belair. Now we expect that WWE book her strong manner against Bayley to build him in a title match in the future. Bianca Belair needs to good momentum right now. Look like she get it sooner than later and them could be the go for SmackDown Women's Championship. So Bianca Belair also a strong contender for 5 WWE Breakout Superstar of year 2020. Number 3 is Dominic Mysterio. We saw Dominic Mysterio on WWE TV before when Rey Mysterio feuded with Brock Lesnar for WWE Championship. At the Saudi Arabia show, we saw Dominic involvement in WWE Championship match of Brock Lesnar and Rey Mysterio. But in a proper manner, WWE involved in any proper storyline was Rey Mysterio's storyline against Seth Rollins on WWE Raw. Dominic come to the aid of his father Rey Mysterio against Seth Rollins and his disciple Murphy. As Dominic Mysterio's father is a WWE legend and he is personal trainer, also then everyone's expectation is high on him and Dominic Mysterio never disappointed all of us. Few occasions Dominic Mysterio wrestled in a tag team match with his father Rey Mysterio. In all tag team matches, Dominic showed his in-ring skill and it impressed Vince McMahon and other WWE officials. Every passing match, Dominic Mysterio got better and better inside WWE ring. Everyone including the family, fans and WWE officials are happy with him and support him. After seeing amazing Dominic Mysterio performance in the tag team division, WWE finally gave him a singles match against Seth Rollins at SummerSlam 2020. Dominic Mysterio put an incredible performance in that match, but unfortunately in the end he stand on the losing side. With the performance, Dominic even impressed with his opponent Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins after that match break his character and praises Dominic's work in the ring. Mysterio family and Seth Rollins feud were one of the highlights of 2020 year, and Dominic Mysterio's input in that storyline was amazing and incredible. So we expect that bright future for Dominic Mysterio in WWE, and we also see him as a future WWE World Champion. Number 2 is the Street Profits. WWE introduced the Street Profits on Raw before they call up on the main roster. The Street Profits showed up on the first on Raw when they are in NXT Tag Team Champions. These WWE moves is to promote the NXT brand on the main roster to give some exposure to the brand. After losing NXT Tag Team Championship, WWE called them up on the Raw brand. First, they have hosted only backstage segments. Fans already know that about the Street Profits potential, and maybe WWE also that is why WWE soon give him Raw Tag Team Championship. Before grabbing tag team titles, they failed to few attempts, but they finally won the gold on the main roster when they defeated Seth Rollins and Murphy on Raw. After that, there is no holdback for them, and the Street Profits emerge as the most prominent tag team of WWE. They are successful in their title defense before drafted to SmackDown during Draft 2020. After Draft 2020, the Street Profits and the New Day exchange their titles because both champions switch their brands. One of the brightest moments comes for the Street Profits at Survivor Series 2020. In the amazing champion versus championship match, the Street Profits defeated one of the best tag team of WWE of all time, the New Day. Number 1 is Jey Uso. In 2020 year, we saw most unexpected thing in WWE, that is Roman Reigns heel turn. Roman Reigns heel turn definitely gives benefit to him and WWE. But apart from these two, one another superstar present who gets benefit from this, and that is Jey Uso. We always see Jey Uso wrestle in a tag team division. But after saw Roman Reigns and Jey Uso feud, now we can say that Jey Uso is even promising as a single competitor. The way he carried out the emotional feud against Roman Reigns was just incredible. In this process, Jey Uso also turned heel and joined forces with Roman Reigns. But fans are still behind Jey Uso even after his heel turn. Now Jey Uso become a vital part of Roman Reigns' heel run and character. Even now he become the main eventer on SmackDown brand. There is still possibility that at some point in the future Jey Uso might be one who would dethrone Roman Reigns' heel empire and his dominations. It's a great year for Jey Uso and especially the second half of 2020. So these are the all top WWE breakout superstar of 2020 year. Hope you all agree with our choice. If you have another choice, then sound off in comment section. This is all from our today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.